Thing is going a pretty cool color. I'm not gonna give it away just yet. What's up guys, welcome to our wrap series. Today we're wrapping this E30. This is Garagistic's E30. What year is this thing? Let's see. This is a 1990 E30. Thing is going a pretty cool color. I'm not gonna give it away just yet. This has a Honda engine in it. I don't know a whole lot about Honda engines, so I'm not gonna go into any detail about this because I'm gonna look like an idiot. Pretty insane looking. Wild. Show you the interior's not really done yet or anything like that, but it's coming along. It's looking really cool. They got their signature red for the roll cage. Thing's pretty cool. Luckily this car came to us mostly apart, so we don't have to really take apart much on this. Just take the door handle off. We can wrap around this piece. Yeah, all the trim's already taken off, the trunk's taken off, all the bumpers are taken off, so this car's pretty much ready to go for us. It's getting started. What's that? The wheel's spinning. I'm gonna show you guys really quick how we do the adhesive remover here on this car. Spray the panel. Even though the adhesive's really thick right here, spray this mainly, kind of let the rest drip down because it's not too bad on the rest of the paint. We're gonna repeat this on all the panels here. So I just finished cleaning this whole side and the hood, and then I finished alcohol wiping everything on this side, as well as the roof and in between all these trim pieces. I'll show you guys up close really quick what I mean by cleaning in the trim pieces, because a lot of people may not know what that means. Yeah, let me just show you guys really quick. I cleaned in between all these trims, which means I lifted them up and squirted alcohol in there, really made sure all that under there was clean. And then I'm gonna be wrapping this off the car the most sturdy way we can wrap it. We are in the print room. This is where we do all our print stuff and all the cutting and everything like that. Just make sure my line's not too off. And that. All right, so we're on the next stage, and that is to wrap this car. And that is the finished product right there. Got this edge down, got these little cracks in right here. I'm gonna wrap that little bottom piece black. All right guys, just a quick update. Just finished the driver's side. Yeah, let me just show you guys really quick. Yeah, dude. Yeah, this was fun so far to wrap. I've never wrapped an E30 before. This is my first one. I still have the passenger side to do. I'm gonna knock the hood out right now. I just finished right there. What up, guys? So it's the next day of wrapping this Garagistic E30. I got the entire driver's side done along with the cowling and the hood. So yeah, I'm gonna start wrapping the fender. So I just laid this door panel on. I tacked the top right here. I just wanted to show you guys how we laid this area in. This is a lock right here, and then this is the door handle area. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna I'm gonna lay this whole edge in first, and then I'm gonna tack around the lock, and then we can proceed to cut it out and push it in. I'm just gonna push this edge in. Bottom of the door right there. If any gnarly glue lines, we're gonna cut it out. So I'm cutting on the top of the lock right now. I put some tape there, so. I can push this in like that. Finished the door, and now we're moving on to the quarter panel. Anyways, guys, we just wrapped up the Garagistic E30. Super bright. Yeah, but anyways, we had a lot of fun wrapping this. Really like the color. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.